In this video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal button to Shopify. Let's get started. So before we proceed to that, I will show you what it looks like. So for example, I will buy this specific product right here, and then from in here, I should be able to add this to my cart. So click on this add to cart, and in here, I have here my cart. So I've just to click on this checkout right here. And once I have clicked on the checkout, I should be able to see a PayPal button. Now, if you want that enabled, you can head over to your Shopify and then head over in here to your settings. Once on your settings right here, head over to this payments right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see payment providers, payment methods, payment capture method, manual payment method, as well as payment method customizations. So in here, as you can see, PayPal has been set up in default, but you need to set it up completely by linking your PayPal account. So click on this one right here. As you can see, they have 0% transaction fee. So you just need to connect your account from in here. Select that, click on this complete setup. This will open a new tab wherein we can just log in your PayPal account from in there. So head on over and then just put in here your actual PayPal account. For example, I will put in here your PayPal account email should be the same as your actual email on your Shopify. Click on next. And then from here, just put in your password that you have as your PayPal business account. After that, just click on next and you should be able to be ready to go for your PayPal endeavor on your Shopify. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you soon.